any workplace, preparedness is not just about the knowledge, it's about having the right tools at your disposal. So today we're going to explore the crucial importance of ensuring adequate first aid supplies in the workplace. Having sufficient first aid supplies is about being ready to respond effectively during emergencies. Let's delve into why the preparation is essential for your workplace. So here are the key reasons to consider: your immediate response to injuries and illnesses, minimize severity of injuries through prompt care, compliance with safety regulations and standards, boosted employee morale and confidence, enhanced workplace safety and preparedness. Ensuring adequate first aid supplies is not just a safety requirement, it's an investment in the well-being of your employees. It's about having the peace of mind that you can respond to emergencies promptly and effectively. Ensuring adequate first aid supplies in the workplace is not just a checklist item, it's a commitment to a safer and more secure workplace. Because in your workplace, preparedness is the key to a more resilient future.